Want to create ghost effects, double exposures, or soft cinematic overlays in CapCut Mobile? One of the easiest ways to do that is by adjusting a clip's opacity. Start by opening your project and importing your main video. Next, tap Overlay and add a second video or image on top of your footage. Once the overlay is added, tap it in the timeline to access the editing tools. Look for the opacity option and tap it. Now simply drag the slider to lower the visibility of the overlay. As you reduce the opacity, the clip becomes more transparent, allowing the background video to show through. This technique is commonly used for ghost effects, dream sequences, cinematic edits, aesthetic videos, and creative social media content. Experiment with different opacity levels until you find the look you want. Review the final result and make any adjustments before exporting. That's how to make a clip transparent in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple feature, but it opens up a lot of creative possibilities for your edits.